Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to make your own foam paint at home. So first you're going to need paper, a couple of sandwich bags, some shaving cream, different color food colorings, and school glue. Today I'm using a glue substitute, but it is recommended that you use regular school glue. So this craft can get kind of messy, so just be prepared for a workstation that allows you to do that. So first we're going to go ahead and open up the bag, and we're going to fill it with some shaving cream. Perfect. And then we're going to add an equal part of school glue. There should be good. And then we are going to grab our food coloring. For this one, we're going to do red. And we will put about 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, then we're going to go ahead and get some of the air out of the bag and seal it on up. Perfect. And then we're going to go ahead and mix all of the shaving cream, glue, and food coloring together until it makes one solid color. All right, so that looks good right there. So now you have made your own foam paint, and that's going to solidify overnight and leave you with a nice painting in the morning. So let's go ahead and get ourselves a clean piece of paper. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your bag filled with your mixture. You are going to cut off the ends. And then you use it like a piping bag, like how you would if you were decorating a cake. So for this one, we're going to go ahead and do a fun rainbow. So I've already made different color ones off camera. So then a rainbow goes red, then orange. So we'll take our orange, we'll cut the tip off of it, and there we go. Then we'll go ahead and do yellow. And then we have green. Now we have blue. And lastly, we have purple. And there you go. You have your own foam paint, and you'll go ahead and let that dry overnight, and you'll have a solid painting in the morning. Thanks guys, have fun.